Hi everyone, today I have a really sad mood. Why? Because I don't have idea have sense take my project or not. Why? I'm not scared work, but I'm scared about codes and everything what's going on with this plumbing system, because I think it's here everything not right and everything not on the codes. It's work, everything perfect, nothing complain about, but if I'm more reading codes, it's nothing on the codes. First thing, it's around my toilet. Toilet is supposed to be like at least 12-inch from wall, and my wall it's 11-inch. It's not 1 feet from center. It's center here. It's short, but it's kind of like not big deal. It's just 1 inch. But this is wall. It's really weird wall, guys. It's wall kind of like not original 2x4. It's just kind of like 1 inch wall, kind of like just plastic and like that. And here just board. Do you know? First question: it's legal? It's illegal? Of course, it's really small space. It's inside exactly like 1 inch. In this 1 inch, I can put inside some pipes, kind of like for like this is for water. Do you know, if I wanna install some, it's possible install some pipe, but I don't have idea. It's legal or it's illegal. Of course, I need to connect to concrete these pipes on the some holders like this, and I really don't think it's legal, because usually people just make 2x4, drill it hole, do you know, but 2x4 not like this way, and have pipes in this. How that I not for sure for it's right, and it's possible install it wall like this way. In something, of course, I totally understand. In this wall don't have any pipes. All pipes kind of like coming to this way. He just put on the top. It's not so beauty, but doesn't matter. And I'm not for sure for this is right for code too. About this big pipe, it's kind of like ventilation. It's 90-inch. On the code it's supposed to be like minimum 18, but close. It's technically it's kind of like close to what's going on. And here, okay, so coming to here, and technically same pipe, it's kind of ventilation. But if you just begin think about this as pipes, it's cold and cold water and the hot water, I'm not for sure. It's little on the top. One moment, I just try. I can put lights. Doesn't matter. Because it's supposed to be have some valve here, shut-off valve. Don't have any shut-off valve, and this is shut-off valve being supposed to be little highest like this. I don't have idea, and for my toilet it's going to here, but here I have shut-off valve. It's kind of good, but it's not connect to nothing. It's just like, I don't know it's right or not. how long I think, and my ventilation system, same like a sewer system, it's okay or it's not okay. If I'm kind of like put some level on the level, it's kind of little down going pipe, it's technically good. If you have some condensation, it's condensation going down to sewer. To this sewer I am connect washing machine, not my washy, and this is for furnace, just for condensation water. And this is guy going from kitchen on the up. This is guy going, it's ventilation. Ventilation kind of on the middle. And technically, this is don't have any ventilation, I think. Or I think it don't have any ventilation system. Or maybe just going on the top to roof. Maybe. Same like this? Probably. Don't have one moment. Maybe I have idea when I figure out. Yes, I will check. I think this is sink from upstairs. For upstairs we have kitchen. It's going personal ventilation to roof. This is pipe. It's ventilation only for basement. And have connect to here. Alright. About toilet. It's kind of like weird because from toilet we need 15 inches like this way from center, and in my case I have just 12 inches for center. It's like 3 inches we need to move it because toilet can't touch nothing. For move a toilet it's kind of like big deal technically, and maybe not big deal. Nobody know it's legal like this is walls or it's illegal. And if I'm just gonna move this is wall to here to where my yellow tape, it's gonna build here wall, and from this corner to this corner it need be corner shower, steam corner shower. It's kind of totally be good and work. If possible, not so much space, but possible. Come and make your brush teeth. Slide. Get your shower. Usually it's open. Doors for be here to here is be door. So still coming to this way door. But shower corner sewer is supposed to be here, and how connected him, probably connect to him. And it's kind of weird because all stuff is 4-inch, here 2-inch, really old from metal. Same way here, but here it's kind of like concrete go up and we don't see. I think it's 4-inch down too. Have some this. I not for sure for this connected to this. This connect for sure with toilet. How this system work? Not technically everything is supposed to be connected. I don't think for one line have sewer and we have other some line to sewer, kind of 2 lines going from my property to city sewer. I don't think so. I think it's for sure one line because America for sure will like save money and save any feed pipe and feed some work. Alright. What I have right now, it's problem with codes. I don't have idea. It's legal, illegal. And if I'm just begin search my water, kind of hot water and cold water, first, oh my god, what's going on? This is cold water, and cold water he just covered for don't get condensation, isolated him. And what the heck is that? Why he do like this? Hey, I don't think it's good on the code. I don't think this is natural gas. It's alright on a code. Check out this natural gas who come into my dryer. It's kind of big mess. It's not good, looks good. It's kind of crazy looking. Okay, just think about my cold water. Some like that. Going. Oops. Some like that again. Going. 12. I don't have idea. Because this is right. And here, guys, check out. It's natural gas pipe. And have T corner. And the dead end. Didn't see. Damn. Oh. It's dead end. T and dead end. Kind of I can't connect and use natural gas for some reason. I'm not for sure why. Probably here been some, I don't know, something. Maybe it's have kind of idea for future, just connect some stove to here. Not for sure. And here again, but it's cold, it's hot, sorry, or it's cold. Oh, it's same cold water, and have again dead end. What's going on? I don't know. It's kind of one dead end, second dead end, third dead end in one pipe. What's the point? What point? I don't have idea. If I'm just looking here and begin think about that, again that end. I'm really scared if I'm just invite to hear some inspector, and this is guy be say, "Hey, I'm catch you," and here kind of like weird. It's hot water, and going to some pipe. I totally understand this is pipe. Just if you have bubbles, air in the system, you can remove any air. But anyway, why is this long? I kind of understand for you just can put on the bucket with water and just look and have bubbles, don't have bubbles. But anyway, I think it's not so legal. Everything I can say, everything work perfect. I don't have any issues. I totally clear understand for everything what I have here. Maybe I'm wrong, but I think it's everything not on a code. Why pipe moving like that? Why he just not drill it here? Hopefully everything looks perfect and awesome. They just make some crazy sticks like this. I don't know. For me, I totally don't understand and have some, you see? It's legal for this is going to here? Probably it's for furnace condensation. I don't have idea. Everything what I need know. My plan has been just lift it here for 4-inch, make podium from concrete, be exactly some plane, plain area for installate corner shower, and this is plain, just drill it and connect with some hole. I don't not for sure what kind hole. I totally understand when it's supposed to be been a P-trap and go connect to some pipe. Maybe this is pipe. I don't care. It's not big deal for me. Just make cut. But and not big deal if be honestly. Make this as bathroom. Just get grinder, cut everything, hammer, machine, and just hit any concrete and connect and move this is toilet little here and here for 3 inch. More close to this and be kind of on the exactly for codes. But what around this is pipes? If this is pipes and my heating system and natural gas some stuff, it's totally everything kind of like not on a cord. If inspector just look at that, he say, oh my god, I'm catch you, man. It's probably be a really big job for fix everything. And just curiosity, if I'm connect P, my shower P connector coming to this pipe, I think from here to here, it's going straight pipe, and I think straight pipe, metal pipe going to here, kind of like shook, it's one pipe, and I connect shower to here, not big deal, not big deal, and probably if it's from here going to here, what I think, maybe I need coming to like in the angle, like pipe going and angle and connect for be kind of like water just smoothly turning. And I have little podium for 4 centimeter, installate my shower, installate some door here, and everything be cool. And this is I'd be left like here, because some before me, some owner just did it like this. If have some flood, maybe on a cord here, I don't have idea why he owner just did it for have some flood, all water just come to this hole, you know. It's kind of same system in my garage. If have some kind of like flood, or you can wash your car, water coming to center. What's the point? I don't know. Maybe any basement kind of needs supposed to be have system like this. I don't have idea what's the code, how it's work. Everything what I know, I wanna shut off this window because my wall be like here. I probably install it to here some blocks and just left a really small window. I just built it for this huge window, small window, not big deal. Just curiosity about how connect, and this is shower. This be